Most homeowners think weed control is just one thing, but it's actually two. My name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona, and that's what we're going to talk about here. The difference between pre-emergent and post-emergence. Now, obviously, when you have weeds, you want them killed, and that's what post-emergent would do. Post-emergent is your glyphosate, like your Roundup. It could also be fusilade that just treats just Bermuda without harming the plant. There's also broadleaf weed treatments that you can spray and kill weeds in your grass without harming your lawn. These are different type of post-emergence that are different from what's we consider in the industry. Pre-emergent is like a birth control for weeds or a weed insurance, a preventative layer that you put down that actually won't, it builds this barrier that doesn't allow the seed to even ever germinate. Now your pre-emergent will do nothing for your existing weeds. And the post-emergent won't do anything for your future weeds. And this is why it's so important to understand that you need them both to have a clean yard. And honestly, if you see a spotless yard somewhere, there's like 99% shot it's got pre-emergent that's being applied to it, once or twice a year minimum. And this is because it protects that layer that puts down on the soil that just ever prevents the seed from germinating. We get these big heavy rains here in Phoenix, and after a rainfall like that, you just won't even get any type of weed at all throughout your yard, especially in granite areas, a lot of rock areas where you'll have weeds that just kind of pop up. And you can actually apply it to lawn areas as well. In lawn areas, the barrier doesn't last quite as long, but it's a valuable asset to have during certain times of the year where we're more prone to different types of weeds. And that's another great thing to know with pre-emergent is you want to really apply it, in the spring and in the fall during our transition seasons. But it doesn't necessarily mean you have to. As long as you have that barrier down every 6 months, you're gonna have that protection there, and it does wear out over time. And so applying it during the season, perfect time of season, is actually the most valuable and impactful, but just having a pre-emergent down is gonna be the most important part of a weed control service in your yard. So if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us here at AMS Landscape at azlawns.com, or check us out on Instagram and Facebook we're either AZ Lawns or AMS Landscaping. Make it a great day.